Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw with mayonnaise. First, select a crisp head of green cabbage and 1 or 2 medium carrots. You'll also need about 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. For the dressing, have on hand 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a delicious, creamy coleslaw. Begin by finely shredding your cabbage. A mandolin or food processor can make this task quick and easy, aiming for about 8 cups. Next, grate 2 medium carrots. These add a lovely color and a subtle sweetness to your coleslaw. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper until smooth. This creates your creamy, tangy dressing. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine your shredded cabbage and grated carrots. Pour the creamy dressing you just prepared over the vegetables. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss everything together until all the cabbage and carrots are evenly coated. It's important not to overmix. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade mayonnaise coleslaw is now ready to serve. It makes a fantastic side dish for barbecues, picnics, or any meal. For best results, serve it chilled. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your creamy, tangy coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.